This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 313 RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, slide-out, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, TV, microwave, external shower, smoke detector, Colorado detector, spare tire kit, stove top burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 313 RLTS is 8,375 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.